You know, the center of my home is the kitchen. We eat there, we talk there, we laugh there. I love the kitchen. When you're shopping for a home, you're curious, have I got the right kitchen? Does this place have the chops to do what I want to do in my kitchen? Very few real estate agents are truly kitchen experts. They haven't been chefs. They can't even cook. That has all changed with Thomas Belz from Watson Realty. Thomas, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Wally.
It's okay, I think, if I share a little bit of your backstory. I want to get you started on that. Everyone locally knows Matthews, the Medor brothers, and their successes. Yeah. Tell me about your role in the kitchen there.
Well, I started with Matthew all the way back in 1999 and worked here locally at Matthews, and then in 2001 moved down to Restaurant Medor. Worked there for a couple years and then moved on to Roy's at the beach. And then in 2005, my wife and I relocated to Las Vegas, where I worked at the Bellagio and worked at Caesar's Palace.
Unbelievable. You were in the big leagues.
Yes, for a long time.
With the Medors, you were in the big leagues of Jacksonville, and you went to Vegas, you were in the big leagues there. Yeah. So you were a guy that knows the kitchen is the center of the house.
Absolutely.
How have you parlayed that savvy in the kitchen, and frankly, being in the Bellagio and Caesar's Palace, that's a high level of performance and expectation. How has that assisted you in your real estate career?
Well, I think working with the Medors, working with such great companies, you learn service and you learn what world-class service truly is. You learn how to never say no to a guest. You learn to always try to work out what is best for them and advance their interest first.
I could just imagine being in a home and I'm thinking about some upgrades and we're talking about the appliances.
Absolutely.
You know, that transition from electric to gas. You know, they say real men don't eat quiche. They say that real chefs don't cook on electric. How do you feel about electric cooking?
Well, I use it at my house.
Really?
Unfortunately, yes. I'm in one of the neighborhoods that's electric only. In Las Vegas, when I lived there for a number of years, it's gas only. But here I had to learn again to cook on electric. So it can be done, but I'm very envious of when I go into these newer homes and the newer neighborhoods that do have gas, getting in there and having one for myself. But I always tell my clients, hey, if you want me to come over and cook for you and let me use this beautiful kitchen, I don't mind.
I just thought of a fabulous idea, and that is, I'm just going to say this out loud. Sure. You can say no. Talk about the ultimate housewarming gift. A private chef event with my real estate agent? Have you considered that?
I have. And
have you done that?
I have not had the opportunity to do it yet. I haven't had anybody take me up. We have mentioned it. Mostly right now, I take a lot of my chef skills and apply it to open houses as a way of attracting buyers. And then I always leave a little something over for the homeowners as a little thank you gift. And that way I get to highlight and still cook every day.
So I'm about to tell the universe that if you buy a home with Thomas, that first meal, private event, ooh.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not talking for 10,000 people.
No.
Just a nice family thing.
Absolutely.
Teach them about their new kitchen, really
walk
get
through
them
the
into
kitchen
it.
with them. Absolutely. That's a great idea.
I love that idea.
I agree.
That is such a good idea that I think a lot of people would like to do that with you. List and sell with Thomas Belz. And, you know, a special thing in the kitchen, maybe even create a signature dessert.
Oh, now you're talking my language. Just
named
sweet tooth
after
guy.
that family.
Oh, there you go.
You're going to be a busy guy.
That's fine. I would welcome the business.
What's the best way to get a hold of you, Thomas?
My phone number is 904-827-3908, and I have my website, thomasbelz.com.
thomasbelz.com. Food. This is a fabulous thing, you know. I am very excited for that, and I'm going to ask a very special favor. When Thomas Belz sells a home for you and have that private event, I would appreciate an invite. Have a beautiful day.